Today, I want to do a class on punctuation. Before class, I have teach you that all the rules of punctuation, how to do the punctuation. Actually, I know everybody know this better. So I will try to do the practice today. Here is the punctuation. Every word, first, if you want to do the punctuation, first you should have to maintain the rules and regulations, and you should know the how kinds of sentence, 5 kinds of sentence structure. If students know, here is a sure. Look for what is your future aim in life. Look for, actually, we know that look for. Look for is one kind of naming word. A naming word, first letter will be capital letter. Thank you very much. Look for is the naming word. So here is the small letter. Here I will be the first letter. This is the capital letter. Look for said to me. Here is the must be used comma, inverted comma. What is your future aim in life? Is the interrogative sentence. It is interrogative sentence. We know that finishing movement of the interrogative sentence, last movement, we must be use the interrogative chino. Interrogative mark, I must use the inverted comma. To be a doctor in reply. To be a doctor, I replied. To be. There is a to be. To the small letter. Before starting of the sentence, must be use the capital letter. To be a doctor, I replied. I replied. Ami uttor dilam. I replied. There is the I is one kind of pronoun. I one kind of pronoun. The I is the academic small letter. It will be the capital letter. Here is the I capital letter because it is the pronoun. The when pronoun will be the subject. That means we should have to give that pronoun always as a subject. It will say that it will be the capital letter. I replied, there will be the finish. It is the assertive sentence. This is the assertive sentence. Then you should study seriously. Then this is the first letter. This is the first letter. So here is to be the capital letter. Then you should study. Then you should study seriously. And should be more attentive. Should be more attentive. Say look for. The should be more attentive. Here will be the finish. Here is the assertive sentence. And then we should use the inverted comma. This is the repeating verb. Repeated speech and repeating verb. Here is the repeated speech. Must use the punctuation. Say look for. Here is the look for naming word again. L is the small letter. I will give here is the capital letter. Look for but. Here must be use the finishing of the assertive sentence. Must give the full stop. But starting movement of the but. Here is the but. You should give the small letter to the big letter, the capital letter. But I feel tired. I feel tired. I is the pronoun. But here is the small letter. It will be capital letter. The I capital letter must be used the capital letter as a subject. Pronoun, when we use the as a subject development, we should take the pronoun as a capital letter. I feel tired. And sometimes lost my child. Here is the must be give the full stop. This is the assertive sentence. This is the assertive sentence. I said here is the I must be use the kind of pronoun. So it will be the capital letter. I said must give here is the full stop. You should go. You is the subject. As an assertive sentence, before first letter will be the capital letter. You must, I will be the here, big letter. You should go. You should go to doctor and take advice from him. Here is the full stop. Here is the inverted comma. Here must be repeated speech about repeating verb. As a narration, every student knows this one. You should go to a doctor and take advice from him. Look for reply. Here is the look for. Look for is the naming word. The look for will be here. Look for will be capital letter. For the reason, look for is the naming word. Every naming word first starting will be the capital letter. So dear student, I think that Punctuation is very simple and very easy. If you want to know these 5 kinds of sentence, we know that assertive sentence and structure. After finishing the assertive sentence, must remain the full stop. And when we will use the interrogative sentence, after finishing this sentence, we will use the exclamation interrogative mark here. So interrogative guys, interrogation symbol, assertive or full stop must we should use. Punctuation actually. Where we draw, that when we show the rules and every rules, what rules I have given in my class, you should practice. After practice, you will do alone, you can be success. Thank you very much for today's class. Next class I will check in front of you, and coming class I pray for you so that you remain always well. Allah Hafiz.